Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I am Hijra Walid from SLS Montessori and School 20C branch. The topic of discussion is apostrophe of possession for English grade 3. Let's look into some punctuation marks that have come to visit you. I hope you all remember them. Oh, look, who is coming first? Mr. Question mark. See, it is saying hi to you. Hello question mark. How are you? Let's see who is the next. It's a full stop. Hello. There comes the exclamation mark as well. Oh, look, who is coming in the end? It's a comma. Hello, comma. How are you all? I hope you all felt happy after meeting them. Haven't you? However, this is not the end. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new punctuation mark, which is an apostrophe. Apostrophe. Yes, apostrophe. Repeat after me. Apostrophe. It looks similar to the comma, but the difference between the two is that the comma is always placed on the third line, while an apostrophe is always placed at the first red line. You can see clearly that the apostrophe is on the topmost red line drawn in our notebooks. Please keep it in mind that an apostrophe should not fly in the air. Always put it carefully on the first red line. Now, you know what is an apostrophe and where is its correct placement. We should proceed further to the main topic, that is apostrophe of possession. Possession means someone's belonging or being an owner of something. In simpler words, possession means having something. I would repeat, possession means someone's belonging, being an owner of something, or having something. For example, I have a pencil. This means the pencil belongs to me and I am the owner of the pencil. This pencil is my belonging or my possession. Similarly, you might be using your parents' mobile phone. This means that the owner of this mobile phone is your parent. It is their belonging and their possession. When we want to convey a connection between an owner and a belonging, we add apostrophe. As you can see in the picture, there is a child whose name is Amir. He is holding a trophy. Amir is the owner and the trophy is his belonging. Hence, there is a connection between them. So we would say Amir's trophy because the trophy belongs to Amir. We can also say that Amir is the owner of the trophy or the trophy is Amir's belonging or possession. Likewise, this is a Jack's bottle. The bottle belongs to Jack. Or Jack is the owner of the bottle. We can also say the bottle is Jack's belonging or possession. Now, example 3. Please pay attention. The house of the vampire was full of bats and insects. Instead, we can write as the vampire's house was full of bats and insects. Now, here you can see that the vampire is a singular noun. So when we deal with singular nouns, we simply add apostrophe s to show possession. Usage of an apostrophe. We put an apostrophe to show ownership or possession. This means that whenever we want to show that something belongs to someone, we always use an apostrophe. Apostrophes are used for possessions to show that something belongs to somebody. For example, Zara's bag. This means that the bag belongs to Zara. By using an apostrophe, we can shorten a sentence in a way that meaning remains the same. We can read the sentence quickly and it sounds easier and natural. For example, this bag belongs to Zara. This sentence can be shortened with the help of an apostrophe in the way that meaning remains the same. We can say, this is Zara's bag. I hope you all know what are singular and plural nouns. But I just want you all to revise with me the difference between a singular and a plural noun, which is easy to spot. When a noun indicates one only, it is a singular noun. For such type of nouns, we simply put apostrophe and s. For example, teacher's cupboard. When a noun indicates more than one, it is plural. These nouns end with s. For example, boys, painters, boxes, babies, leaves, students, customers, teachers, etc. In such cases, we use only apostrophe and do not add another s in the end to show possession. Example, teacher's cupboard. Now, I would like to draw your attention towards singular and plural possessions. Singular possession means belonging to one person or one thing. Customer's breakfast. This means there is breakfast for one customer. The breakfast belongs to one customer. So this is singular possession. Again, customer's breakfast. Here, in this, the breakfast is for more than one customer. This is plural possession. So, singular possession means belonging to one person or thing. We use apostrophe s. And plural possession, that is, belonging to more than one person or a thing, we use s apostrophe. Once again, I would like to draw your attention that the apostrophe for single possession goes before s, apostrophe s, and the apostrophe for plural possession goes after the s, that is s apostrophe. However, there are some exceptions that some plural words don't end in the letter s, such as everyone, children, people, women, men. So what happens then? If the plural word doesn't end in s, just add apostrophe s. It's like singular possession, as I have done, like everyone apostrophe s, children apostrophe s, people apostrophe s, women apostrophe s, men apostrophe s. So, Now, I hope you all understood the concept of apostrophe of a position, its correct placement, its use. Now it's time for some fun. Guess what? Yes, we are doing an activity. Its name is Who's Belonging? So the time required is 15 minutes. This means only 15 minutes we can do this simple activity. The material you need is a paper, glue, and scissors. Step 1. Cut 4 slips of a paper, each with a size of your school badge. Step 2. You have to look for the things that are your belongings. That is, they belong to you. For example, lunchbox, water bottle, pencil box, bag, etc. After looking for your belongings, now on the 4 slips of the paper, write your name with your belongings on one slip. For example, if you have a football and your name is Ali, you will write Ali's football on one slip. Step 3. Read aloud the sentence. For example, this football belongs to Ali. This is Ali's football. Step 4. Paste these slips on your belongings as shown in the picture that you have just pasted the slip with the help of a glue on a football. This would help you to recognize your own belongings. So we would repeat. Step 1. Cut 4 slips of a paper, probably of school bag size. Step 2. Label your belongings using apostrophe S to show ownership. Read aloud the sentence. For example, this football belongs to Ali. This is Ali's football. Step 4. Paste these slips on your belongings. Now, as you are much familiar to apostrophe of possession, let's open our books. Please children, open your English Workbook and Comprehension Class 3 by SLS Montessori and School. Open worksheet number 12, apostrophe, page number 13. I hope your pencils are sharpened. Write date and day. You can see a rabbit is saying you something. Let's read out what is it saying. Let's learn how apostrophe shows the correct possessive form of a noun. Apostrophe is added to the end of a singular noun to show possession. Singular, girl plus apostrophe s equals girls. Now, question number 1. Rewrite the sentences by adding apostrophe to show possessions. The gift for Sami was beautifully wrapped. Question number 1 states, rewrite the sentences by adding apostrophe to show possessions. The gift for Sami was beautifully wrapped. Now you have to detect who is the owner in this sentence. Come on, think. Who is the owner of the gift? Sami. Sami is the owner of the gift. That's why I have underlined Sami. Now, what is Sammy's belonging? Come on, think, my lovely students. Any idea? Okay, I can hear someone saying the gift. Yes, gift is his belonging. You can see that I have underlined gift for Sammy, which clearly shows that the gift belongs to Sammy. The rest of the sentence would remain the same. Now we have to rewrite the sentence by adding apostrophe in such a way that meaning remains the same. We would write Sammy's gift instead of the gift for Sammy, and the rest of the sentence would remain the same. This would be Sammy's gift was beautifully wrapped. Now come to the part B. I wore the raincoat of my cousin. Likewise, you have to find the owner and the belonging. Here, my cousin is the owner and his belonging is the raincoat. You may underline the raincoat of my cousin as done previously because there is the owner and his belonging. I told you the part not underlined would remain the same. You can write I wore and instead of the raincoat of my cousin, write my cousin's raincoat. It would be cousin apostrophe S raincoat. Now coming upon part C, it says, I borrowed the football of my brother for the match. Now who is the owner of the belonging? My brother. My brother is the owner and football is his belonging. So we would say, I borrowed my brother's football for the match. Last one, the part D. The clinic of the doctor is near my house. Let's detect who is the owner and what is his belonging. Please think about the answer and let's move to question number 2 of the worksheet. It says, make a sentence using correct possessive forms of the following nouns. The words given are mermaid, teacher, friend. First of all, you can notice that these are the singular nouns. It is a mermaid, not mermaids. See, it's a mermaid. Now you remember that when we deal with singular nouns, we add apostrophe S. The first word is mermaid, and you can see that a beautiful mermaid is drawn on the side of the page. You can say anything about the mermaid. For example, mermaid's hair is very beautiful. Mermaid's hair clip is of pink color. Mermaid's complexion is very fair. So think of a very nice sentence and write it. Next, teacher. You can simply write any detail about your teacher, like my teacher's bag is of red color, my teacher's voice quality is very good, anything. And last, this is the most simpler one. Write anything about your friend. For example, my friend's name is Sarah. This is my friend's pencil. My dear students, here I have attached the answer key of worksheet number 12 so you can check your answers. Please try to make the sentences on your own. Don't just copy them. I hope you will make these sentences on your own. Time to say goodbye. Hope to see you soon. Please, children, wash hands, stay safe, stay home, work from home. Thank you and bye-bye.